Alright, this is Mr. Blystone back for Unit 1 opener for Algebra 1. We're talking about this unit is on uses of variables. So, years ago, the ancient Egyptians had hieroglyphics. And these hieroglyphics were carved somewhere years and years ago, and they tell us how to find the area of a rectangle with length 10 units and width 2 units. Now, today we really can't read these. We'd need the Rosetta Stone to translate them and keep translating them to finally get it. But we know how to do this. We've done this in other math courses before. So we could put this into our words. Instead of hieroglyphics, we could use our own words. So let's do that. We could say something like, let's see here. The area is found by multiplying length times width. And we could say that. The area is found by multiplying length times width. Let's center that, make it look nice. Move it down here. Perhaps. Anyway, you get the point. So, can we shorten this? Well, yeah, we can. We could write it more as an equation, like some math a little bit. We could say area equals length times width. We could write that. That's shorter. Can we go even further? Yes, we can. We can also use variables. So a variable is usually a letter or symbol that stands for something. So let's see here. Area starts with an A, so let's use a capital A. And that equals, length starts with an L. And usually when we write variables, we kind of write them in a more of a cursive form. So I'll write it like that, L times W. So we could say A equals L times W. There we have a formula for area. And we've used three variables, A, L, and W. We know that they mean area equals length times width, but we've shortened this a lot. Algebra is all about using variables. So, right, letters such as A, L, and W are variables because their values can vary. And that's beginning algebra. That's the study of those variables like those we found in formulas like the formula for area. In this unit, you're going to see how variables appear in sentences, expressions, formulas, and tables. And we're going to look at those words, what a sentence is, what an expression is, what a formula is, and what a table is in the various sections. So here are the videos you're going to see in this unit. We first start talking about variables and sentences, then sets and domains, operations with sets, variables and expressions, variables and formulas. Then we'll be talking about square roots and variables and patterns. Then we'll review the Pythagorean theorem and variables from tables. So, when you're ready, go ahead to the first video in this unit, or whatever video you might need, and happy learning.